Hi everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. And today I'm here with great message to all of you. This is a continuation of my last topic about right of the patient or patient right. Last time I already spoke about general right, which means right dosage, right treatment, right patients, right time, right dose. So today I will also take one right for another type of right of the patients, which I will speak about is right of given healthcare services to all the patients without any discriminations. A lot of times people suffer in hospital. Why? Because they don't know anybody in that hospital. And another reasons, they don't know the right. Also, the co-patients, they don't know more about what their patient needs. So it is among the patient right to have healthcare services without any discriminations. All the patients are same. So based on this, there is one formula. Medical professional has to use it, and co-patient and patient has to know about that. This formula is FIFO. First in, first out. Those people who came to hospitals early, they have to get services early. Those people that came late, they have to get their services late. But nowadays, when you know someone in hospital, you don't need to be in the queue. What you need just to take your file. Some people, they cannot even get the file. They will just go directly to the medical personnel or lab technicians or anybody related to them in such hospital, just because they know them. So when we are considering about giving healthcare services to all the patients, we have to use the formula of FIFO. And both healthcare personnel, co-patient and patient has to know about this. Another reason is sometimes medical personnel underestimate people. When they see them, like they don't know them, they don't have any relation to them, they will just start saying like they don't have bed or something like that. I have one story to share about this. One time we took our brother to hospital, which is late now. We went to a very big hospital. When we went there, me and my sister and that our patients, he's like small boy 13 years back. But what that hospital is telling us, they don't have available bed at that time. We are surprised how such kind of big hospital said that they don't have available bed. And also we are transferred from another hospital to that same hospital. When they tell us that they don't have available bed, we just decided to take him to another hospital. So, like in the evening, late evening, one of our brother came, who is working in a bank. He is banker that time. So when he came, he asked us why we left that hospital. We said they don't have available bed for our patients. He said no, we have to go back. When we went there on the same day, they give us bed. And when we go to that ward, there is a lot of available bed in that hospital. So this shows us that they don't follow the given healthcare services to everybody. They have some exceptions. Because when they see us, like me and my sisters only, they didn't respect us. So when they see our brother who is working in a bank, now they respect him, they give us bed, and we even see there is a lot of available beds in that hospital. What I'm trying to say is that it is a right of any patient to receive same level or equal healthcare services in whichever hospital, in whatever conditions. The only things that will make difference is in case of emergency. If your patient is emergency, yes, that there is some differences. And already in most hospital or in all hospital, the part or ward of that emergency is there. You can take your patients to emergency. And with all that, some patients, they are not in emergency conditions. But because they know someone in emergency part, They directly text their patient which doesn't need any emergency health services. They take him there. Because of him, maybe someone is there waiting for his emergency treatment, but he cannot get. So please, both patients, healthcare providers, co-patient, we have to know the right of the patient and we have to follow it so that we can save life. So don't forget, our topic still is right of the patient. In my next video, I will take one right of the patient and speak about it. Thank you so much. We all need to take care of our patients. See you next Monday.